Did you hear that? The judge just reminded Brianna Gonzalez she could face up to 20 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. That's no small deal. How would you feel hearing those words in court? Would you stay calm or break down?
Probation, this is an application. Court is calling 2025 CR 008222, State versus Brianna Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Todd Lessard for Brianna Gonzalez.
And are you Miss Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court officially calls the case State versus Brianna Gonzalez. Her lawyer and the prosecutor step up. The judge checks if Brianna has seen all the evidence and understands the charges. Everything seems calm, but the storm is coming.
You understand it and sign it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the court admonishment?
Robbery, a second-degree felony. The judge lays out the punishment, 2 to 20 years in prison. Imagine being in her shoes. How would you react knowing your future hangs on this one moment?
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with robbery? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea.
By entering this plea, Brianna gives up her right to a jury trial and the chance to confront witnesses. This is serious. Do you think she truly understands what she's giving up? Or is she just saying, yes, sir, to everything?
The right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty?
The judge drops another bombshell. If Brianna isn't a U.S. citizen, she could be deported and denied naturalization. That's a life-changing consequence. Do you think most defendants realize this risk?
And sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, counsel, if you can hand me that trial court certification back. I thought y'all had an agreement on
The plea deal comes into focus. A cap of 6 years in prison, a $2,000 fine, plus $2,000 restitution. The judge asks if she understands, and Brianna agrees. But is this a fair deal or way too harsh?
certification back. I thought y'all had an agreement on the resolution. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe
Finally, Brianna enters her plea, no contest, no live testimony, just written statements and police reports. Do you think that's fair? No witnesses, no cross-examination? Or is it just how the system works?
she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you could be deported, not allowed to re-enter into the United States and denied naturalization?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is silent on your applications. There's to be restitution of $2,000 to the complainant. They will take in consideration 2025 C.
The judge finds there's enough evidence to convict her, but he doesn't. Instead, he defers the finding of guilt, giving Brianna a chance. She's still in school, has a job waiting, and is trying to move forward. Should the court show mercy here?
C003927. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objections.
State you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign?
After all that tension, the judge moves on to another case, but not before talking about piano concerts and choir directing with another defendant. From life-altering pleas to lighthearted talk, what a shift. How do judges handle such emotional whiplash?
It in all the appropriate places.
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Counsel, it's for a PSI and a TAP. It's about 8 to 12 weeks. If you want to wait for that, you can. Or if you would like to just present whatever witnesses you want to present and come back in a shorter time, we can do that as well.
I think that would be preferable, Your Honor. She's enrolled in high school and she also has a job waiting for her. And so we're trying to get this behind her as quickly as possible.
All right. So then I'm going to be gone next week. And then the following week, I will be serving jury duty. So I can bring you back that second week, but Judge Angelini will be hearing it, or either I can bring you back to the third week and I will hear it.
Let's do second week's fine, Judge. No offense to you, Angelina.
No,
But
that's-
the quicker the better.
All right.
Yeah.
Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, sir.
next week.
Number 8.
And your plea on that was a no contest plea. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. All right. So we'll bring you back on September 8th.
Is it a PSI or just sentencing?
No, it's just sentencing. They've waived PSI and TAP evaluation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now, I can tell you with regards to that, maybe Angelini will hear it. Maybe he will not hear it since the PSI has been waived. But,
Oh,
We
well,
will
if,
see.
you think that's a risk, then maybe.
well, I mean, I don't know. So we'll have it.
Well, if he doesn't hear it, then we can just do it next week.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. All right. Gustavo Jimenez.
Yesterday, he didn't appear yesterday, but I didn't know who was even was me today. I don't have no document.
Hello, Mr. Jimenez.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. So your attorney filed a motion. The court has signed it.
Oh, great, Judge. The motion for sanity?
Yes.
Okay. yes.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset you for 45 days. If the examination comes back before then I'll call you back before then, okay? With regards to the motion your client has filed, because of the type of motion, I can't go forward on this case until that's completed. You understand? All right, I need a 45-day reset.
45 days. I can do October 6th.
That works for me, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll bring you back on October 6th, but again, if your attorney gets information for us sooner, he'll let us know. We'll bring you back sooner. All right, thank you. Do you have any questions about anything? All right.
I want to say that I passed the DRB test, the dangerous review,
Mhm.
board test and stuff.
Oh, that's good.
And was
You know, I used to do a lot of mental health cases, so that's a great step.
I gave a couple piano concerts over there too.
Oh, wow.
For pianist,
So you play, oh my gosh. So what classical?
classical, rock, everything.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Once you're released and when you're back in society, wherever you're playing at, you let me know. I'll show up.
Well, I wanna go back to be a choir director at church.